Hello my good peeps, and welcome back to another video. Today I am reviewing this Sunco lighting LED product I got from Amazon. This is going to be used for my under cabinet lighting. It comes with a remote control and 10 lights, and these are battery powered, but I like to use rechargeable batteries so I don't have to worry about having to buy batteries all the time. And they come with these 3M stickers that you use to attach under the cabinets, and of course the instructions. So I went ahead and laid out on the counters where I wanted all of the lights to go. Again, this is a 10 pack, so I'm just trying to figure out where I wanted everything. So once I have that figured out, I decided I wanted to have the remote control over here at the entrance of the kitchen, and I'll show you how I install that at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. So see here, I have the 3M stickers and some screws I already have in hand. I'm attaching the stickers to the back part of the lighting. You saw me unscrew those earlier, and I'm just attaching those under the cabinet. Originally, under this set of cabinets, I thought I wanted 4, but you'll see in a little bit that I ended up changing it to 3. But anywho, so I went ahead and attached the stickers, and now I'm screwing them in place. See, really easy to install them, super quick. And then I'm going to move on over to the remote control. I used the sticker that it came with, and I'm also going to use some of the screws I already had on hand just to make it a little bit more secure. And you'll see that right there. And I'm using my heart tool, my daily driver. All right, so that's in place. Now I'm going to show you how the lights look. You can push the lights individually, just in case you don't want like all of them on at one time. Like you want to use like 2 or 5 or 7 at a time. So here I am using the remote. On, off. See, so cute and convenient. I love it. Yay! On, off. I think it's so cute. I just love this thing. And it only cost me, can you believe it? Can you believe it? $10 on Amazon. Only $10. I just put you all up on game. You should subscribe to the channel on that alone. I really hope you guys are enjoying this kind of content of me reviewing certain items that I like to use in my home. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in future videos. I love you all, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.